Let's make a bun dosa like this. And while you making, please subscribe my channel, Moses Kitchen. Onto a blender, semolina, yogurt, add just enough water, add salt, transfer to a bowl, onto a pan on a medium heat, oil, mustard seed, fenugreek, chana dal, cumin seed, give a quick mix, saute until the chana dal gets golden. Add red onions, few green chilies, few curry leaves chopped, and saute until the onion is soft. Add mashed potato, give a quick stir, turn off the heat, add the mix to the batter. A pinch of baking soda, add little bit of cilantro, give a quick mix, place an Uttappam skillet on a medium heat. Let's pour the batter over the skillet. Drizzle some oil onto the side. Let's flip it. Let's taste the bun dosa with some tomato chutney. Very soft inside, very flavorful. Well, when you eat, how you eat, enjoy and eat. And if you like this recipe, please try it. If you like it, share it, subscribe it, comment it. Your comments makes me perfect. And don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Moses Kitchen.